In this quick video, I'm going to show you guys how you can relocate already installed games on Steam. Let's get started. So as you guys can see on my library, I have not installed Apex and I need to download. So let's open up the folder and go to the drive that you have previously installed Apex Legend. So it's on my game drive here. So you can see we have Steam library, and click on Steam library, Steam apps, and then go ahead and click on common, and you can see we have Apex Legend folder, which is around 93 gig, and you can see we have R5 as well. This is previously installed Apex Legend and it's been really old, so just cut this folder. All right, just cut the Apex Legend folder and go to game root directory or the drive root directory, right click and paste. We need to do this because we will need to reinstall. All right, so yeah, just do that. Now click on install button, and you can see right now the C drive is full and it doesn't have enough space at all. So click on this setting gear icon to manage the storage. So click on this drop down arrow as well and simply click on add drive. Now make sure to choose the game drive that you have previously installed Apex. It's on my E drive, so I'm just going to choose local drive E. As you guys can see, I have 92 gig free space left, but I need some more, so I have transferred my file to another drive as well. As you guys can see, I'm moving the file to Edge drive here on my stuff. So yeah, just make sure to move that and add this. And now you can see that Steamworks is still installing right now. Now choose this game drive, the E drive, and then make sure to click on this three dot icon and make these as default. And you will see the star button on game drive. Now simply install. Just click on this install button down below. And you should see the start downloading, and it should show you the downloading process. Just pause this downloading process and right click on Apex Legend, go to manage and uninstall. And click on uninstall button. After clicking on uninstall button, you can see the previous folder. On common, we have Apex Legend folder once again. So this is what you guys needed. So go to the root directory of this game directory or the E drive that I'm using, and go ahead and open up the Apex Legend folder that we have just copied or moved, and make sure to select this all and cut this. But now make sure to open the Steam and make sure to shut this down completely from notification tray bar as well. Just exit the Steam and it should show you the shutting down. Now once you guys have cut this all the file, just go to Steam library, Steam apps, common, Apex Legend folder, and then just right click and paste. Now you guys are done. Now you will need to relaunch Steam. All right, so yeah, just relaunch the Steam by double clicking on Steam desktop icon. So once again, go to Apex Legend and install. So just install this. And this time, instead of starting download, it should show you the validating button, just like that. Now you will need to wait for a moment, like maybe 10 minutes. You can also see in Task Manager that it's getting like 100% usage. It means that it's been validating the game files. If you have an old file that you guys are validating, just like me, you can see it's going to download or re-download some portion of the file. As you guys can see that. Now once you guys have finished, just simply hit on play and you can choose any launch option. So I'm choosing here DirectX 12, and there we go, we have installed Apex Legend. You can also see the game is working perfectly fine. I'm just going to shoot the firing range and you can see that everything is working perfectly fine after you just relocate the game files. So yeah, this is it guys. This is how you should relocate the Steam games in 2025. It's that simple, easy peasy. Let's go. If this video helps you out, then be sure to drop a like and make sure to subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Peace.